Hey viewers, welcome to the Best Tools Review channel on YouTube. To make this video, we analysed hundreds of products and picked only the best tools for you. Please subscribe to our channel for more guides and check the description box below for product links and updated prices. So, let's get started.
In this video we're going to checking out 5 best table saw under 300 you can buy right now. We made this list based on tools performance, features, price, manufacturer's reputation and most importantly reviews of actual user. So, if you choose from this list, you can be rest assured that you are buying the best table saw under 300 in the market. So, let's go for top 5. Our number 1 choice is Rockwell X2 Portable Tabletop Saw. A table saw that you can take with you to the job or easily move around the workshop. Convenient carry handle makes it easy. The Rockwell Blade Runner X2 Portable Tabletop Saw is the solution to the problem of having to take materials back to the workshop to cut them, and then bring them back to the job site later on. If you're a contractor, you know that process can add an entire day to a project. The Blade Runner is only 15 pounds, so while stable and sturdy, it's easy to toss in the back of the truck. And with a footprint of only 15.75 by 17 inch, it doesn't take up an entire workbench like traditional table saws. The hold-down guard and splitter allow for work with wider materials, and a larger rip fence than other portable table saws provides better control and accurate cuts. A no-load speed of 3,000 per minute, a stroke length of 3/4 inch, with 5.5 amps of power gives it the capacity for light to moderate cutting of wood up to 1.5 inch, ceramic tile 3/8 inch, PVC pipe 1 1/4 inch, aluminum 3/8 inch, and steel 1/8 inch. Anything over 1.5 inch and you're probably going to need a traditional, permanently fixed tabletop saw. Take this table saw to the job site or move it around the workshop. There's even a built-in carry handle. With the standard guard and riving knife system you can perform rip, cross, scroll, and miter cuts. For details, let's watch more. Our second best table saw under 300 is SKIL TS63007 10-inch table saw. The SKIL TS63007 10-inch table saw has a 25.5-inch rip capacity and is equipped with a 15-amp motor, integrated foldable legs, rack and pinion fence rails, and a dust port elbow to keep your job site clean. The 15-amp motor quickly rips through hardwoods with ease, while the rack and pinion fence rails make fence adjustments fast, smooth, and accurate. With its 0 to 45 degree bevel capacity, the quick release lever allows for cuts between 2 positive stops at 0 and 45 degrees, and its 4x4 cutting capacity allows for swift 90-degree cutting. The integrated foldable legs seamlessly form into a folding stand to provide portability and convenience, while the dust port elbow systematically redirects dust to a container for easy cleanup. The parallel blade alignment allows for ease of blade adjustment along the rip fence and miter slot, for precise accurate cuts. This table saw features a safety anti-restart switch in case of power outages. This large coated cast aluminum tabletop saw comes equipped with a 10-inch 24-tooth carbide blade. When using a dado insert, this table saw requires an 8-inch dado blade set. For details, let's watch more. Third pick in our list is Worx WX572L Portable Electric Tabletop Saw. Featuring a rack and pinion fence system, the Worx WX572L Blade Runner X2 Portable Tabletop Saw makes smooth and accurate cuts. This power tool easily cuts a variety of larger shelving and trim materials. Being portable, this table can be carried anywhere around the workstation. This tabletop saw also comes with a traditional guard and riving knife system allows unlimited capacity for cross and rip cuts. You are installing around your house, wooden flooring, cabinets, racks, railings and more. The Worx WX572L Blade Runner X2 Portable Tabletop Saw is lightweight and compact, making it easy to carry anywhere and set up in seconds, to cut wood, tile, plastic, metal and aluminum with ease. This power tool by Worx is packed with a variety of features including a safety switch that prevents accidental starts, a miter gauge, rip fence, multiple blades for different materials and much more. Simple and effective, the Worx WX572L Blade Runner X2 portable tabletop saw is simple to assemble and work with. This design allows you to keep both hands free, so you can fully adjust the material as you need to. The quick, tool-free blade change system is compatible with any 4-inch T-shank jigsaw blade. And the base provides onboard storage for its miter gauge, rip fence, and blades. With a stroke length of 3/4 inch and a no-load speed of 3,000 per minute, you'll have more than enough capacity and power to tackle jobs both big and small. Stop bringing projects to your table saw and start bring the Blade Runner to your projects. For details, let's watch more. Number 4 in our side is Intrade M1HZP3254 10-inch table saw. The M1HZP3254 from Intrade measures approximately 28 inches length by 22 inches width by 13 inches height. It weighs just under 44 pounds, making it easy for one person to move and set up. A 15-amp electric motor powers the 10-inch saw blades used in this table saw. That is a standard size for table saws of this size and should provide consistent cutting through various woods that you might use for projects. It provides operators with 5,500 rotations per minute under no load conditions. That speed is not adjustable, but it should be fine for most applications. Those RPMs will drop a bit on thicker pieces of wood or material that have tight wood grain. Last in our best table saw under 300 list is Goplus Table Saw. With powerful cutting performance, this is equipped with high-power 15-amp motor and low noise. This table saw delivers 5,000 RPM cutting performance to rip through various kind of hardwood with ease. And the heavy-duty table saw stand effectively prevents table from rollover during cutting. Coated aluminum tabletop with 26-inch rip capacity can easily rip through larger wood material and reduce extra friction for smoother sliding. Table saw features 36T carbide tipped blade, which is designed with transparent guard and riving knife to protect you from accidental hurt and flying chips. Sliding miter gauge can be adjusted from -45° to 45° for cross-cutting. And self-aligning rip fence with parallel guide on both sides assists the more precise and stable cutting without any wobbling. On-board storage system is convenient for your wrench and push stick when not in use. The on-off safety switch is available to control table saw stand and provide overload protection. And the 10-inch table saw can be used without the stand, which is convenient for outdoor wood cutting. For details, let's watch more.